Hi, my name is Mark Cooper, CEO of PM11. I was asked recently to co host a webinar with Tanya Walter, CEO of Obzervr, and we talked about how organisations can automate and use mobility solutions to improve maintenance. It was hosted by Ostmine, the leading industry body for Australia for mets and mining, and the following is one in a series of topics. Today's topic is maintenance workflow, plan, work, complete.
Part of the power of Obzervr is you've got the workflow down the bottom of the screen there, the plan, work, complete, and it gives you that flow so that you can actually just move through those stages and actually do the planning, complete all that planning, do the work, and then obviously complete any work. So before you even get into the work order and see the work orders, which might be on the next slide, you'll get information like that. And then this is probably the slide which is probably the key to the question is, when you do get into a work order operation, you'll see the information like a SLAM or a safety check. You'll see any hazards and controls. You'll see PRTs that are there, and you'll also then be able to complete any corrective actions or any other items that are actually in your process, whether that's completing timesheets or anything else. All of those things are all listed down there for you just to complete.